Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Print Preview is not available in the Microsoft Excel. Let's go start. Press the Windows key, search for Services, and click the top result to open the console. Scroll down, locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Wait for the Printer Spooler service to restart. Press Win+R, type regedit, and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Then click on exce Current User. Then click on Software. Then click on Microsoft. Then click on Windows NT and click Current Version. Select Windows and right-click on it and choose the permissions from the context menu. Then select All Applications Packages and turn on Full Control. Click Apply and OK. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Devices and Printers. Printer and Scanners. Select any printers. Scroll down in More Devices and Printer Settings. Select your default printers. Open your any Excel file. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.